Okay, all right. So here's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna continue what we did yesterday, where the leading coefficient is not a prime number. So let's go through a 10-minute video. All right. Afterwards, I'm just gonna let you guys practice a lot. Okay. All right. So let's take a look. All right. Here we go. So now, let's see. So what I want to do today is this. Let me go through two questions with you. And then afterwards, I'll let you try the other five. And then when you come back, I'll either show you the answer key or actually go through them with you. Okay? All right? Okay. So let's start. All right. So for this one, all right. Now, based on yesterday's results, I'm inclined to use 10m and m here. All right? And let's see what kind of magic will result. All right, now let's see. I got 9. Oh, okay. All right. I was hoping this would be like a 5 and a 2, but turns out to be it's not, because I think if this is 9 and that's 1, it's gonna work out, because that's 1m and that's 90. And that's 90m. So 90 and 1 will give you 89, right? So I think it's just, yeah. Wow. Okay. All right. So I got 9 and 1, right? Because 9 and the 10 makes the 90, and it's already very close to 89, right? Now, since this is a positive 89, that big number has to be positive, which means it's 9. Okay? All right? That's it. All right. Now, let's try this next one. You know what? Let's do this one. I'll let you do these 5. Now, if I go 6r again, so I'm kind of like really testing my luck now, right? I could do that, and then what about the this part? All right, 45, 9, and 5. What if I put 9 here? 9 and 5. What did I just do? All right, let's see. So if I put 9 and 5 here, that would be 9, and that would be 30. That's not going to work out. So let me think of another two numbers. What about... if I put 9 here, that's too big, right? Because 9, 6 is 54. And that's 5. So that's, what's happening? Why, I didn't do anything here. Why is it doing that? All right? Okay, hold on. All right. Okay, all right, so, Now 45 and 1, would that work? If I put, no, I can't put 45 there, that would be too big. 45 and 1, so that's 45 and 6, right? 45 and 6. 45 and 6, no, we get 39. So that's not gonna work. So now, you see what I'm thinking, right? I already can tell, like, hey, this is not gonna be all that great, all right? Well, no, that's not what I meant. What I mean is, it's not gonna be like how I did it, where I used treat this as if there's only one choice, right? So, all right. Now let's see, what does that mean? Well, let's use 2 and 3 then. All right. So we might have better results with this one. All right. So you can kind of see where I'm going with this. So by the way, these choices that I'm picking, all right, they all follow this pattern. Okay, just a hint. Now, let's see, 45, I'm just gonna try the same numbers again. 9 and 5, so if I do 9 and 5 here, what I get? That I get 18, and here I got 15, that's 33, so that's no good. All right, I can try, now if I could just switch them around, I could do 5 and 9, that's 10, and that is 27. 27, 10, 37, nice, there you go. All right, so I remember this was 9, and that's 5, right? And then since they're both negative, they're both positive, then these have to be both positive. Now let me double check. So that's 10, all right, and this is 27. Yeah, that worked, nice, all right, good. Very happy. All right, now, here's what you're gonna do then. Try these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press pause right now, and when you come back, you know what I'm gonna do? When you come back, I think I'm just gonna have the answer key for you. Okay, because I'm really hoping by this time that even though this is only your second day doing these case 4 questions, that you guys should be okay. All right, so, okay, oh, you know what? Yeah, okay, all right, so press pause right now. All right, if you're back and if you see that I did not do any of the questions, you'd be right. I did not do any of the questions, and that's because I have to point something out to you first. Here, you see all three terms have a common factor, that's x. All right, don't forget that. So you got to factor them out like so first. Okay, like that, and then you factor it. Okay, so that's all I gotta say. So yeah, go ahead and press pause right now. All right, if you haven't done so. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you how to do these two and then just give you the answer key for the rest. Okay, so let's see now. All right, my brain's already moving. Let's see. Oh, okay. Now, I'm inclined to think that this has to be 4x and x. And the reason why is because I'm already looking at the 30, and I know that I have to make 43 in the middle. All right, so that means the number is going to be kind of high. So that means if I put 10 here, I'll get the 40, right? The 4x and the 10. And if I put 3 here, I'll get the 3. So I'll get the 43, just the way I want it. Like that. That's it, okay? That whole thing is the answer. All right, now, what about this one? Now here, again, these three terms don't have a common factor, so I'm just gonna have to, like, you know, go for it. Now, I kind of know that 9x and x probably wouldn't work. So I'm gonna go with 3x and 3x. All right, so let's see. Now 40, I can do 20 and 2. If I put 20 here, let's get my magic pen. If I put 20 here and I put 2 here, that's 6. Yeah, way too big. All right, so that's no good. So I gotta scale down a little bit, like 5 and 4, something like that. No, not 5 and 4, 5 and 8. If I put 5 here and I put 8 here, that's giving me 15. That gives me, wait, what? Wait, what? 5 and 8, right? Hold on, 5 and 8. That gives me 15. That gives me 24. That could make 9, actually, right? Because 24 minus 15 will give me the positive 9. So it is 8 and 5. All right? Now I just got to figure out what the signs are. So since the middle number is positive, the bigger number should probably be positive. So this should be a positive. This should be a negative. Now let me check my answer real quick. This is negative 15. This is positive 24. So 24 minus 15. Yeah, positive 9x. Nice. All right. So there we go. Okay. All right. Now let me show you the answer key for the rest. So let me press pause right now and do the questions. All right. I'm back. Now I wasn't being completely truthful. These two I actually have the answer key for. So I just wrote it down. Okay. Because it was going to take too long for me to finish this video. This one, I actually had to work it out, so that's why you see how messy that is, okay? So that's 9p minus 36 times p minus 2. Now, you can factor it out. So if you factor this out, you would get 9, and then p minus 4, and then p minus 2, like that. Okay, so always look out for factoring completely, okay? All right, so let me stop it here. Tomorrow, we'll practice a lot more again, and then we'll go from there. Okay, all right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
OMG, that was so good.